What's going on, guys? Philly here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, back with another quick matchup for you. So if you don't know what these are, basically it's just a really short video to show you what a certain size tire looks like on a certain size wheel. So today we have something a little bit different for you because we got a lot of requests to show some smaller wheels with bigger tires. So this is a 17 by 8.5 method MR701. So when I say that size, what I'm talking about is the diameter of the wheel, 17 inches across, basically that's this measurement. 8.5, we're talking about the width of the wheel. So just the wheel here, 8.5 inches wide. And then the tire that it's matched up with today is a BFGoodrich KM3, very aggressive mud tire from BFG. And this is 35 tall, so that's this measurement that you'll see, by 12.5 wide, which is this measurement here. So that's the width of it. As you can see then, you've got a ton of sidewall because this is a 17 and this is a 35. So when you measure it, I know this isn't the correct way, this is the way we always do it though. It's about 8.5 inches of sidewall if you include all the way up to the top of the tread there. And now I know you might be doing math because I've seen people do it in the comments before where they're like, this is 17 plus 8.5, that doesn't equal 35, I don't understand. It's because not everything comes out to be exact measurements because the 17-inch diameter of this wheel isn't actually like from edge to edge, and a 35 tall tire isn't quite exactly 35 tall. So this one measures out to be about 34.25, which is pretty typical. And then as far as width goes, the actual width, if I measure from edge to edge, gets me just over 12 inches. And then if you go tread to tread, right on the edge of the tread, you're seeing closer to about 11 inches on the KM3. So that's your matchup. If you're wondering what a 35 12.5 looks like on a 17 by 8.5, that is what it is for you. And I guess to answer another question, people always ask, can you put a 12.5 wide on an 8.5? Yes, absolutely. You can always put a wider tire on a narrower rim slash wheel. Got to use the correct words. Now I made an error, but we're going to keep it in the video anyway, and you guys can just laugh at me. That's it. 12.5 wide on an 8.5 wide wheel. You can definitely do it. Peace.